Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
SKYCAM 7 is still wobbling just a little bit because it's been pretty breezy today. Those southeast winds around 20 to over 30 miles per hour at times did help to boost temperatures a bit though. The first day in 8 days that we've climbed above freezing here in Boise after a very cold start to the new year. It's dry right now, but the clouds are rapidly increasing and there is some snow on our doorstep. It's 39 right now in Boise with southeast winds at 23 miles per hour, gusting to 35 miles per hour on occasion, and today we've hit 41 degrees for a high. That's 4 degrees above the average temperature for this date. We started out at 9 this morning, well below the normal of 25, so that's a pretty rapid warm-up, about 18 degrees warmer than we were 24 hours ago. And no new precipitation, but more is coming later on tonight. There you see the other high temperatures. Didn't get very warm out in Ontario, pocket of cool air there. 25 degrees, upper 30s to low 40s around much of the upper Treasure Valley. 30 degrees for High Mountain Home, and it ranged from the mid-20s in Jerome to 37 degrees a couple of miles away across the Snake River, and even made it above freezing up in some of the mountain areas. There you see the winds that are continuing to blow this evening, pretty breezy, ahead of an approaching cold front that'll be moving through in the next few hours. And so the wind chill is in the teens and 20s with those breezy conditions out there right now. That front is moving through eastern Oregon, already brought snow past Baker, and snow showers are starting to move into the Weiser and Ontario areas during this hour or so, making its way on through the rest of the Treasure Valley by about 10 o'clock tonight. Mountain Home by midnight, Magic Valley by about 2 or 3 o'clock tomorrow morning. It's going to be a blast of some snow at first, but it may start out as rain or rain mixed with snow, maybe even in some spots a pocket of freezing rain briefly before changing over to snow for a couple of hours and up to a ½ inch to an inch likely in the valley. Mountain areas are going to see more between tonight and tomorrow morning, up to 5 to 12 inches in some of the west central and Boise Mountain areas where a winter storm warning is in effect. Winter weather advisories for 1 to 3 inches over in the Magic Valley through tomorrow morning as well. And Futurecast shows that rain changes over to snow for a few hours this evening. We get a break in the morning and then some scattered snow showers developing again tomorrow afternoon, especially tomorrow night as another wave moves in and continues overnight into Wednesday morning, then mixes with some rain showers in the afternoon. Warmer weather on the way gradually as we head through Thursday with periods of rain, and then by Friday we're looking at kind of a rain-snow mix, but drying out by next weekend. So a lot of messy weather going on as we gradually warm up a little bit and get rid of this very cold air mass. Temperatures for the Magic Valley dipping down to the mid-20s tonight. A little bit of snow developing with that front coming through, some gusty winds along with it. It will be pretty messy when it first comes through late tonight, improving a little bit tomorrow with scattered rain and snow showers and temperatures in the 30s. Mountain areas, snow developing tonight, continuing through about midday tomorrow. A few inches likely, 2 to 4 inches generally, up to a foot in some of the higher elevations, with temperatures mainly in the upper 20s for most of the mountain communities. Treasure Valley, as I said, that changed tonight with rain changing over to snow, and then a possible rain-snow mix at times tomorrow with more snow by tomorrow night. Temperatures in the upper 30s again tomorrow and not quite as windy. Readings warming up into the low 40s by Thursday, and then rain into Friday. We look for temperatures in the mid-40s, cooling back down over the weekend and gradually drying out as we see temperatures back down closer to normal again by next week. So this is what we needed, Carolyn. We needed much of these wet storms coming through. Many more to come, hopefully, to bring our water supplies back up.
It's kicking in right now, so thanks so much for that. We have more for you coming up right after the break.